Welcome back to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We've been coming to you live from the 85th Annual STA Market Structure Conference in Washington, D.C. Joining me on set is Jim Angel. He is an Associate Professor of Finance over at Georgetown University. It's great to have you on set with me. And we're talking about the golden age for the retail investor. Now, Nasdaq has commissioned you to write a market data research paper. Tell us about some of those findings and why it's good for the investor.
Well, indeed, as you mentioned, this is a golden age for the retail investor. And what we've seen is commissions have almost evaporated, they've plummeted. Market data is available now for free that was unavailable years ago. So really, we have it better now than we ever had before.
Right. Now, did Nasdaq put any restrictions on you in terms of writing this research?
No. Basically, you can buy my time, but you can't buy my opinion.
Right.
But what I've been doing is looking at the cost of market data. This is a very controversial issue.
Right.
It's been controversial for the last 100 years. It'll be controversial for the next 100 years. But indeed, I decided to take a look at it and say, well, okay, how much are we actually paying for data? Now, what happens in the United States is that some data is combined into a thing called a securities information processor. Now, the top of book and the last sale are combined over all the exchanges and basically sold to brokers and to data brokers. And the prices for those are such that 85% of that is paid for by professional investors. Individual investors, non-professionals, we pay 15%. So the billing charges are really designed to give the individual retail investor. That's it.
Right.
And as a retail investor, I love that.
Right.
Yes.
I mean, it's amazing all of the tools that are available to retail investors that weren't even around 10, 15 years ago. I would even argue professionals didn't even have what's available to them now.
Well, one of the speakers today was saying that the retail investor now gets for free on the web basically 80% of a Bloomberg terminal. And that other 20% is really valuable, don't get me wrong. It really is an amazing time.
Right. Do you expect that trend to continue where it's going to favor the retail investor?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because technology just keeps giving us better and better things. Cooler and cooler apps, better ways of doing things, more artificial intelligence, and not just information technology, but financial technology as well. This is a very creative industry. People are always thinking of better things. And so if you just think about, when I think during my time, the rise of products like ETFs, for example, that give us the ability to make very specific investment positions cheaply and efficiently. That didn't exist 30 years ago.
It's a super exciting time.
Oh, yes.
All right. Thank you, Professor, for joining us on Trade Talks. And thank you for joining me throughout the day. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.